Forex trading strategies. I have combined three indicators together in this particular strategy, and I'm going to show you how to use this particular strategy profitably. This strategy is meant for Metatrader 4 and not for Metatrader 5, and you cannot use this on derived platform. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up if you like this setting or this forex strategy. The download link for this particular indicator is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Now let me show you how I use this particular strategy. I have three indicators, and you have to allow the three indicators to be in agreement before you place your trade. We have this arrow indicator that gives us the red for a sell and the blue for a buy. You can use this particular strategy on any time frame you want. The setting remains the same. So at this particular point, we have the three indicators in agreement. This turn to green from this particular point here. The thick line, the gray line cross over, and it changed to green at this particular point. But when you look at the divergence indicator, it remains red at this particular point until this point. Then we have all the three indicators in agreement. All the three indicators were in agreement at this particular point. So this is where to place your trade at this particular point. Stop loss will be here, and your risk to reward can be 1-to-1. So that if your stop loss is 100 pips, then your take profit should be 100 pips or 150, but not less than 100 pips, except you want to scalp. And if you want to scalp, you can do this on lower time frame, and this is it on the 15-minute time frame. And if you check it on the previous signal that was generated, also we have all this in agreement at this particular point for a sell, and this is where you are going to place your trade. And for a buy here, we have everything in agreement here. And though if your stop loss is here, this might have take us out of the trade, but yet this still deliver in the long run. And this is how to use this particular strategy. And this is it on 1 hour also, and here is it on 1 hour. Just make sure the three indicators are in agreement, then you can place your trade. Here is another sell, a perfect sell here, and here is another buy here, and they did deliver. And here is another sell, it did deliver also. All the indicators were in agreement, and this is how to trade this forex strategy on Metatrader 4. And let me show you the setting for each of the indicator. And the first indicator you have here that gives us this arrow for buy and sell is this particular indicator. And the periodic, the value for this periodic is 31. Just make sure you pause the video and enter the setting, the values accordingly. And here we have all the color. If you don't want the color, you can change it, but this is what I use for this particular strategy. And click OK when you are done. Then the first indicator on the indicator window here is the sentiment zone indicator, and here are the values that I use for this indicator. Make sure you set it up accordingly. You can pause your video and set it up. And this is the color I use. You can change the color if you like. You can change it if you like, but this is what I use. And click OK when you are done. And the last indicator is this divergence indicator, this SDI smooth forex indicator. And this is the value also that I use. Just pause the video and make sure you enter the value accordingly. This is what I use. Set it up accordingly. If not, you are going to see other things on the chart if you do not follow my setting, what I've used in this indicator. Just make sure you follow it. Where I turn it on off, you can turn it off also. or if you want to see why I turn it off, you can turn it on and see how it look on your chart. And this is what I use. Just make sure you pause the video and enter it accordingly. And this is all the indicator I use for this particular strategy, and it is a good winning strategy that you can use on any time frame at all. And here is it on 5-minute time frame. It did deliver. And let's check it on 1-minute time frame, and on 1-minute time frame also you can scalp with it on 1-minute time frame. And this is how to use this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do that and do give me a thumbs up. This strategy is meant for Metatrader 4 and not Metatrader 5, and you cannot use it on Derive. The download link for all the indicators are in the video description. Make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.